locals don't like you parking near their houses, so make sure you park elsewhere and walk up. If you didn't know where the entrance to Kennal Vale was, you could walk by it really easily, because it looks like it's someone's drive, but it actually isn't. It's down the side of this wall. So the Kennal Vale Nature Reserve is in Ponsanoof in Cornwall. It's a lovely spot. This is, I bought my mum here a year or so ago and she loves it here. So Mother, this one, hopefully you can see this and see some places that you remember. This place, this valley, years gone by, had hundreds of people working here. They used to make explosives and gunpowder and all that sort of stuff. That's why it's in the valley. There's some information on it here. And there's lots of derelict old buildings, which I'm sure we'll see a few more of on the visit. There's a concrete block there. Who knows what that was used for? Probably mounting a engine or a pump of some point. This is one of several concrete block buildings. We'll go down there in a minute, down to the river. It's the River Kennal. Some interesting old buildings around here. As you can see, the water's slightly murky around here. You don't really want to swim in that unless you had to. This is the quarry. So the minerals would have been carved out from here and crushed to use gunpowder and explosives. I bet there's some interesting secrets around here and some stuff lurking in there at the bottom. Looks like someone's tried to start a fire in this one. We've cut some trees down since last time. You can get a little bit close to the water now for your swim. You'd go in that. I think I know a couple of people that would. This building here is about as far as you can walk. As you can see, the wall's been boarded up, bricked up there. You don't want to go behind the wall. What I love about this place, as you'll probably see in a minute, is there's loads and loads of waterfalls. Depending on how much rain we've had, is obviously how fast they flow. We've had a bit recently, not too much, but there still should be a bit to see. Here we go. We'll follow the river down in a moment. This little spot here always reminds me of my mum, because when she came a few years ago, there was a bench here. She stopped and had a cuppa. So I'm afraid your bench is gone, Mum, but the view's still the same. This is the first of several mills. We'll go inside it in a moment, but it's a nice spectacular view from here. You can see why it is situated where it is. In fact, there's a wheel. Lots of the wheels in the river. Look. Always nice seeing these little memorials. Right, we're inside one of the mills, and you can see one of the mill wheels still in place. And they're where the smaller ones would have gone. Sounds like Charlie's found a friend. A fair few cubics of water coming through here. And this little tributary drives one of the mills, so we'll follow it along. Some days the water's not high enough for this to work, but today it is. So if we follow this stream along, this should give us a waterfall further down. Underneath one of the mills now. Sometimes these are waterfalls coming down, but not today, this one. I'm sure there will be a bit further down. This would have a big wheel in here. The water would have come down from the waterfall, driving it round and driving the turbines in these two windows there. And obviously any excess water would come out here and drive the next one. There's a little beach bed today because the water's a bit lower than normal. Let's do some picnic. A little bit further down the river now. Another mill house. This one's not so damaged as the other ones. I don't think there's a waterfall in this one yet. I'll go and have a look. Jump off here. Oh, nothing, no water there. Again, there would have been another big wheel here. Trying to get this stick. Come on, Charlie, get it. Good boy. There's a steady trickle from mill number 4. Plunges down into here. It trickles down today. This here is the money tree. Hundreds and hundreds of coins in it. Well, unfortunately, the waterfall wasn't where we wanted it to be today. There's a little trickle, but no more than that. But there will be another time. Yeah, it's a beautiful little walk, this one, if you've not been before. And every time you come, you see something different. You imagine it's winter now and all the bare trees, but in the summertime and in the spring and autumn, it's just totally different every time you come. It's well worth a visit. Kennal Vale Nature Reserve. But keep it clean, please keep it clean. There's no litter around, there's no rubbish around here. Everyone picks up after their dogs. Yeah, it's a beautiful spot, please keep it clean. Come on, Charlie, come on, jump it. Come on. Oh, she's got his stick. Go on, jump. Good boy. He's made a den. sleep in there, in these haunted woods. Lizzie and Charlie have found a secret doorway. Let's go and see where it leads to. And there's Lizzie. You think we could get across here? I reckon we could, you know. I'm afraid that's all we've got time for today. What I'm going to do, if I can, I'm going to stitch a video in of a waterfall from last time. The good thing about this is a little stream here, look. And you can wash your wellies before you go in the car. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and love. Get on and thanks for watching.